Welcome to OpsHub's blog series. We enable you to make better decisions. End-to-end management of a complex verification process is a challenge for many enterprises. Teams using best-of-breed tools need visibility and access to cross-functional data within their own tools without relying on manual and tedious data transfers. When product managers, verification engineers, and QA teams collaborate effectively by automating data synchronization, it empowers them to enhance quality and product delivery. The integration of Cadence vManager with Jira using OpsHub Integration Manager (OIM) breaks information silos between teams and enables comprehensive functional verification with enhanced traceability and planning, thereby minimizing manual intervention and errors. OIM integrates Cadence vManager and Jira bidirectionally and preserves all historical and current data for each user in their preferred system in real time. The product team starts by adding requirements in Jira, which is being used by USB flash drives team. The product team, or in this case the USB team, adds a feature requirement, gives it a summary and description, and saves it. The systems architect will then create a couple of verification requirements under the same feature requirement. Under the first verification requirement, the systems architect adds a summary, description, and links the verification requirement with the feature requirement created and saves it. These are the verifications that the systems architect wants the verification team to perform. The systems architect goes ahead and adds the second verification requirement, gives it a name, description, and similarly links it to the feature requirement and saves it. OpsHub Integration Manager is running in the background, checking for requirements created or updated, and will integrate them to vManager. Here in Jira, we can see the feature requirement which has been linked to both the verification requirements. Switching to vManager, the verification team resyncs to view the latest requirements. Here in vManager, we can see the feature requirement showing the actual requirement which needs to be done along with both the verification requirements. The verification team now goes ahead and adds two test cases, one under each verification requirement. The verification team in vManager has started working on both the verification requirements by adding the planned test cases. The USB team's requirement is not to have visibility till planned test. Therefore, in this demo, we will show integrations of the final results at the requirements level. But if required, it is also possible to integrate planned tests from vManager to Jira. The verification team starts executing tests and will attach test results in all the tests. Before proceeding, the verification team maps some regression sessions to these tests. Once the verification team maps the sessions with the planned tests, it goes ahead and clicks on grade analysis. This persists the verification results in the planned test so that they can be taken back to Jira. Once the grade analysis is complete, the verification team resyncs to get the results. Here we can view all the coverage and test data. Back in Jira, the USB team refreshes the page to find the results. The USB team finds the test results below the acceptable percentage, as one of the verification requirements reflect only 33% and the overall feature requirement reflects only 66%. Therefore, the USB team changes the status to requires re-verification. This status change will sync back to vManager and the verification team will know that additional tests need to be added. Switching back to vManager, here some action is still pending. The status of the parent requirement has synced and therefore reflects requires re-verification. The change in status has alerted the verification team that the results are not as expected. The verification team adds some more tests in regression and will attach the recent results now. The verification team once again runs grade analysis and resyncs to view the latest results. Now here we can see 100% coverage. These results will also sync back to Jira. Back in Jira, the USB team refreshes the page to view the updated results, which reflects 100% with 0 failed runs and all passed runs. The USB team now changes the status of the feature requirement and the verification requirements to done, marking the closure of the entire circle. The status change made here will sync back to vManager, alerting the verification team that all the work and required testing is completed for these requirements. Finally, back in vManager, the verification team clicks on Resync to view the updated status. Here we can see that the state of the requirements is successfully updated to done. In this demo, we saw how integrating vManager with other tools can allow teams to seamlessly collaborate with each other without having to go out of their tool and while ensuring everyone is looking at latest copy of requirements and results. This completes the demo. Thanks for watching. Integrating Cadence vManager with other tools using OIM allows a transparent and robust verification, which helps teams gain cross-system visibility and insights. To know more about OpsHub's integration solutions, visit our website.